everybody and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. So I'm starting the video like this because I've literally just edited this and realised I didn't film an intro, so we're off to a great start. But as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be eating pink food for 24 hours. I really love doing food challenges, so I thought I'd throw another one into the mix. So if you've got any more you want to see, please let me know and I will do them. But yeah, I'm going to get straight into the video, so if you do enjoy, smash a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And other than that, let's get started. Please ignore what I look like. It's time for breakfast, and pink breakfast for me is hard because I just eat bread, basically. Like, I'm not a cereal person, don't eat bacon, which would be an easy option. So for breakfast, I've got pink Cocoa Pops. I don't even like normal Cocoa Pops. I don't like cereal. If I was to eat cereal, I would have it dry with no milk in, but I feel like I'd get judged for that. So we're going to put some milk in it. So these are the strawberry and white chocolate flavour Cocoa Pops. Hopefully they're nice, but we'll see. Right, so I'm about to make my Cocoa Pops here. Oak thinks it's weird that I'm not going to have them warm.
I haven't had them since I was a kid, and I always used to warm up, you know. Yeah,
I know people do have them warm, but you know I would not like them warm. I don't like them soggy. I'm literally going to use about that much milk because I would eat them dry.
You do what you want to do.
The box is cute, it's just I don't like cereal.
Seriously?
Imagine if they did strawberry Weetos.
What are
they? The chocolate hoops.
Oh,
look! Pink breakfast, this is so weird. And a little bit of milk. I would use this, but I think that's a bit far.
That's thick, that is.
Yeah, I'm not gonna use that. So I've got a milkshake as well. I wanted to get strawberry, but the strawberry one was red, so we've had to get raspberry.
A milkshake.
What?
It's a yogurt drink.
Same thing. Apparently it's a yogurt drink, not a milkshake. Right, I'm literally gonna put the smallest bit of milk in because I don't want it to be soggy. This is what my breakfast looks like. Literally got the smallest amount of milk in there. Right, Oak's joining me kind of on the pink breakfast. Oak's got
my bacon sunny.
Bacon sunny, so it's pink, but he's not actually doing this challenge with me.
I'll put more milk in that as well.
Oh, that's soggy.
The soggy?
The bugger.
The cold soggy now, isn't it?
Actually not that bad. Just tastes like... Does anybody remember the Tom and Jerry cake mix? Do you remember that? We'd make pink strawberry cakes. That's what it tastes like.
Never done that.
They're not bad. I wouldn't pick to have these for breakfast. You want to try some?
Yeah, let me just eat it.
I prefer them dry, so they're crunchy. The milk's gone pink. So technically it is pink milk.
It's going to be delicious. These are literally my favourite things in the world. So
have you tried raspberry?
Oh, yeah.
Have you?
Yeah. If you don't have that, I'm a hip.
No, it's not actually pink.
Huh?
It's not actually pink. I thought it was going to be pink, but it's white.
Go on your nose.
Not bad. I don't think I could drink the whole thing though. I mean, it counts because it's pink on the outside. Both of the things aren't bad. It's just, would I choose to have them for breakfast? No. Oak's on a taste test.
Cold milk.
The pink Cocoa Pops.
No.
Not right though.
No.
I don't think they're bad, but I wouldn't choose to have them again.
It's not like there.
It's not like breakfasty, is it? It just tastes like a milkshake in a bowl.
No, I need them warmed up, you know. I think when it's warmed up, I'd actually like them.
Really?
But I'm not a fan of like strawberry flavoured stuff.
True, you're more of a chocolate.
Yeah.
That's it, breakfast is done. I'm really excited for lunch because it's basically childhood on a plate. So I can't wait for you guys to see what I'm gonna have for lunch. But I'm gonna go get ready now, so I don't look like this anymore. So I know I said I was gonna come back when I looked a bit more presentable, but I've had a shower, washed my hair, I haven't straightened or anything yet, so it's looking a bit puffy. But I'm starving. Like, I don't understand how people eat cereal and it fills them up for the day. So I'm going to show you guys what I've got for lunch. I'm so excited for this lunch. It actually is like childhood on a plate. I don't really know what kind of vibe I've gone for. It's just like bits and bobs, like one of those picky lunches. But it's very pink. I'll give myself that, it is pink. So these are the bits that I've got for lunch. So I've got some turkey ham. I don't like normal ham, I only like turkey ham. But look at this, is this not just childhood? Billy Bear ham. I haven't had this since I was literally a child, so I'm gonna have some of this. And then I've also got a strawberry yogurt. It's pink, but I accidentally forgot to put them in the fridge, so they're really runny. So I don't know if I should actually eat that because it does say keep refrigerated on it, but we'll see. Another thing from the childhood, look at these. These used to be pink Panthers. I don't know if this is just like Asda's own, so they're pink wafers. Don't even think I like these, but I just thought they're pink, so we're gonna try some. And then we've got two lots of cakes. So we've got some French fancies. I'm obviously just gonna eat the pink ones, but I don't like the cream, so I'm just gonna eat like around the cream. And then we've got some angel slices. I didn't really know if these counted as pink because they are yellow, but I mean they've got pink in them. And then for crisps, I was thinking like I'm not actually gonna find actual pink crisps, so I'm gonna have to get prawn cocktail. But then I found these. They're not prawn cocktail. These are the kettle Thai sweet chili crisps, and they're in a bright pink packet. I know the crisps probably aren't really pink, but I feel like you can't actually get pink crisps, so I feel like the pink packet will have to do. Set all this out on a plate now, and oh my god, I'm so excited for this lunch. It's literally my childhood on a plate. So here's my lunch. It's very pink. I know the crisps aren't pink, but everything else, I feel like these used to be a lot more pink than they actually are now, but oh my god, I'm excited to eat all of this. I'm excited to try this again. So I think I'm actually going to start with the Billy Bear ham. So the way I used to eat this when I was a kid is like I would take out all of his features. So I'd like eat his eyes first, then his nose, oh, and then his mouth. Oh, I've ripped it. He's actually nice. Twinks is staring at me because she wants some. You want some? I think Twinks approves. This is so nice. Let me know down below if you ever had this as a kid. Ignore the noise in the garden. I feel like it still just tastes exactly the same as it did all them years ago. So this I could actually eat all day, every day. I don't know why, but I went for a stage of like just eating turkey ham out of the packet, like full packets of it. It was so nice. So moving on, I'm going to have the little angel slice. I used to have these in my lunchbox as a kid. Does that count as pink? So we're going to move on to these, which I don't think I'm going to like because I don't like wafers. So they're the pink, just the pink wafers. I don't understand how people like these, they're just dry. Oh, that was actually disgusting. Not to be dramatic. Those pink wafers are just not for me, no. I've got a nice pink drink, and the drink I've got is the pink grapefruit Robinson squash. So I've tried this before doing this challenge and oh my god, I love it. Let's try the crisps next. So these are the Thai sweet chili kettle crisps, and I think I prefer Sensations. They're like a similar sort of vibe, but Sensations are definitely better than these. I'm gonna have the French fancy, but is it just me or have they got really small? Or was I just smaller when I had them, so they seem smaller? But I don't like the cream, so I'm gonna like eat around the cream. Fussy life. Very nice, very sickly. It's literally just like sugar melting in your mouth, the whole thing. I think I'm gonna give the yogurt a miss because like I said, I didn't put it in the fridge overnight. And it is just literally like water in there. Maybe I'll have that as a snack later. I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for a bit longer and hopefully it's gonna thicken up because I don't really want that, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna actually go and get ready now, make myself look presentable. Finish my squash, finish off the crisps. And yeah, that was lunch. Like I said, that is childhood on a plate. My favourite thing is definitely the turkey ham. If you haven't tried turkey ham, it is a game changer. It's way better than normal ham. Billy Bear ham, I feel like it was a lot nicer when I was a kid just because of the fact it was shaped like a teddy bear. But it was still nice. Twinks approved. So yeah, I'm gonna go get ready and then I'll probably see you guys when I'm gonna have a snack. So I've just finished filming and I fancy a little snack. It's now 4:20, so I feel like it's too early for dinner. I hope dinner works, by the way. If it's not pink, then it's not my fault, it's the recipe's fault. But anyway, I like having a little snack. And for snacks, the options I've got a strawberry starburst, or I don't know, I'm gonna pick out the pink ones of these. I've never had these before. So I've got some magical unicorns. I was gonna pick out the pink ones. So for a drink, I've got this. It's the Rubicon Sparkling Guava. I've never tried this, but it's in a pink can. So I feel like it's allowed. I'm gonna go for the Starburst first because I already know I like Starburst. And they're all in pink packaging. Yay! Normally the strawberry ones are red. I kind of wish I could find the pink Chewits though. I feel like I prefer Chewits to Starburst. I love Starburst. Woo! I love Starburst, I love Treats. The only ones I don't like is Fruitella. I just don't know how people like them. Now it's time to try the magical unicorns. Like I said, never tried these, but I love anything sweets. Cute little pink unicorns. They don't really taste of much, but I love like jelly sweets. These are good. I could easily sit here and eat this whole bag. Is that bad? Is that bad? How many? Let's see how many servings this is. We suggest this product serves 6. How are 6 people meant to share that bag? Come on, Asta. 6 people. I'll eat that whole bag myself. A good little snack. I'm going to sit there and eat a few more of those. But now it's time to try the Rubicon Guava. I feel like I'm going to love this. I love Rubicon Mango, but I've never tried any other flavour. So, cheers everyone. Cheers. Smells nice. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I don't love it, but it's not bad. It doesn't really taste of much. Maybe that's the problem. It doesn't really taste of a lot. I drink the whole can, but is it anything on the mango one? No. But is it pink? Yes. I'm just gonna chill. I've got some more filming to do, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna snack on these. Snack on these. And then I will see you guys at dinner. We're gonna try and make a pink dinner. Oak's participating to have a French fancy. Oak's got a pink French fancy. I'm gonna have another Starburst.
Does anybody else eat the top bit on a French fancy? Because it's the best bit.
Does anybody else not eat it because it's the worst bit? Me. Don't you think it just tastes like pure sugar?
What?
That whole, oh, you haven't even bit the cake yet. The cake is just like, when you bite it, it's just like pure sugar.
It's just icing in it. It's unreal, isn't it?
So it's time to make the pink pasta. I don't actually know if it's going to work. Like, it does look like it kind of looks this colour. So is it pink? Really, I don't really know, but it's like a pinky peachy colour. But if it doesn't work, I got this pink food colouring, so I'm just gonna make the pasta pink and have the sauce on top. That's the backup plan. So apparently all you need is this, which is Italian passata. Never used it before. Some cream and then some herbs and stuff. So I'm gonna basically wing it. I found a recipe online. I will link it down below in case you want to go and cook this. Hopefully it's gonna be nice, but we all know me that I can't actually cook, so let's go. So I'm only cooking for me, so I only need like a little small amount of pasta, so I'm gonna put that in first. I feel like pasta's one of them things where you put in a little bit, but then it actually turns out to be you're feeding literally the whole street. That really doesn't look like a lot, but we're gonna roll with it. So I'm gonna put in some hot water, and then we're gonna boil it and cook the pasta first before we make the sauce. I can't even get the cooker to turn on. There we go. So first she puts some butter in and she lets that melt, so I'm just gonna let that melt. And then when that's melted, she adds in this passata. I don't know how much to do. Oh, I thought that was way too much, great. And then she adds in the cream. It's like a chicken tikka masala. It's going pink. Oh my god, that is actually pink. That is actually pink. A bit runny though. And then she adds in some Parmesan cheese. I love cheese, so I'm going to do a lot of that. What does she do next? Garlic. I missed out the garlic. She puts in chicken and veg powder. I'm not going to do that. Basil and cheese. And salt and pepper. Right, let's do that. Got some basil, so I'm going to put that in. I feel like that was a lot. Ooh, looks good though. It still looks a bit pink. I feel like it looks kind of boring though. Should we dye the pasta pink anyway? I feel like it'll make it a bit more fun, but the only thing is, this says it's got sugar stuff in it, so I don't know if it's going to make the pasta taste disgusting. Oh well, we'll do it anyway. We're going to go for it. We're going to make it extra pink. So the more it cooks, the oranger it's getting, so I'm probably going to regret this, but I'm going to try putting some of the food dye in there. Go for it. Ooh. I don't know if it's pink or red now. Ooh, I feel like that's actually gone pinker. Right, I'm happy I did that. I'm still going to dye the pasta as well. And we're going to see how it turns out. I'm so impatient when it comes to cooking. I feel like this pasta's been on for ages and it's still not done. Long. Okay, so the pasta's done and now I'm just going to squeeze some of this in there. So we can have pink pasta. I feel like this is kind of cheating. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, that is pink pasta. This has gone kind of red, but we're going to put that on the plate and that on top. So I'm going to dish it all up and then we can give it a taste. So I've given it a little mix. It still looks pink to be fair. And we're going to give it a little taste test. It smells nice. It smells like tomato pasta. That's because it is tomato pasta. Lol. Oh my god. Did I make this? Did I actually make this? All that's missing is a load of cheese, a load of garlic bread. This is actually so nice. I would definitely eat this again. Just maybe not be extra and make it pink. I'm so proud of myself for this. I feel like we all know I can't cook. This is like 10 out of 10. Not easily a 10 out of 10. And I'm going to finish this whole bowl. I feel like I did a good amount of pasta as well. I thought putting the pink food colouring would make it taste weird because it had sugar in it, but it tastes amazing. I should have made extra to bring to work tomorrow. That's how nice it is. I'm going to finish eating this and then I'll see you guys in a bit when. I'm probably going to have another snack before bed, let's be honest. And for a drink, I'm also drinking this squash again because this squash is unbeatable. So it's now like 11:30. I don't know where the time went. It literally is 11:30 and I'm gonna have a little snack because I need to edit this video ready for tomorrow. So I need like a little editing snack. So I'm gonna have a Mr. Kipling Angel Slice, and then I've still got the magical unicorns from earlier, and then I've also still got some Starburst. But these, who remembers these? The Chupa Chups lollies. I've got the strawberries and cream one, which is just way better than the normal strawberry one. I think before I have that, I'm going to have my Angel Slice because that's going to take me a while to eat. I'm so glad I bought the big pack of these because it means I get to take some to work all this week. These are unreal. They're way better than the French fancies. Literally just had top pure sugar though. I also need your help, guys. What do I do about my nails? Like, I'm getting a new set because I asked for nude in the nail shop. They gave me, like, what a part of these is nude. They gave me pink. So I'm going to get nude nails, but I don't know what design to get, so if you've got any design recommendations, let me know. Answer down below or message me on Instagram with some pictures. Need some help, I don't know what to do. I always dance when I eat food. Always, every time without fail. What I don't understand is how come in this pack the wrappers are pink for strawberry, but in the normal packs the wrappers are red and they're both strawberry. Anyone know the reason? I've also still got some squash. There was like a little bit left, so I've just filled it up with water to drink out the bowl. Speaking of pink, I got me some cute flowers the other day. How cute is that? So I'm just going to sit here, edit this video, get it ready for tomorrow.
How was them?
Oak missed out on my pasta, guys. We all need to tell him how nice it was. It was so good, Oak.
What did I know?
Because I saw the experience. I've literally liked everything that I've eaten except for the pink wafers.
Yeah, I was literally going to say it. What about the wafers?
And I kind of went off that Rubicon guava. The more you drank it, the worse it got.
Horrible that is.
Enjoy my lolly.
You're cheating.
Is that what you meant?
Yeah.
So I'm going to chill in bed, edit this video, and then finish off my goodies. So I'm going to end this video here. If there's any other food colours, I've got another food challenge video in mind. But if there's anything else you want to see from me, let me know in the comments down below and I'll definitely do it because I like doing food challenges. Maybe we'll get Oak involved in the next one so it's not just me. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here. So if you did enjoy it, smash a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more. I'm on the road to 10k, which is actually crazy. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Bye bye.
Bye.